Very often directors or producers, they have a concept or a story. They option a book, or they hear a story, or they themselves can generate a story idea. Can come to anybody, but to turn a story into a screenplay requires a screenplay writer, a script writer. So if you have a story or a story or an idea, then you have to go and get in touch with screenwriters, in your class or in the industry or wherever, and you collaborate with them and you work together. You should, if you can't write a screenplay, but you should be able to read a screenplay. Right? Reading a screenplay is as important as writing a screenplay, because when you read a person who can read a screenplay and see the film in front of his eyes, you have to have that training, you have to have that vision, which many directors normally do. Like, they work with the writer, or a producer, they work with the writer, and when the script comes, they can understand that, okay, this is a good script, or this script needs work, or the script writer is getting it right. So that judgment also you need to have. So, coming back to what I was saying, first and foremost, when you're out, there are two things that you have to consider. Like, what is your situation in life? Situation, I'm saying, mali halat. How are you placed in life? If you are in a position where, like, you have some kind of backup, where you have you have a day job, for example. Some people might be working full time in whatever place, but in your cases where you have guys are full time film students, probably not. But in either ways, to cut a long story short, what I'm saying is, if you have to figure out, okay, I have the latitude to take, I can meet my ends, and I can devote time to something, then you devote to a particular chosen one. So if you decide to do features, now how do you break into? We'll go into all three: features, television, and OTT. I'll start with features. How does one break into a feature film? You're a young rookie writer. You're brimming with ideas for feature films. But how do I go about it? See, there are two things. One, for a writer especially, one is getting a break and getting a foot into the door, like getting produced. The other thing is being ready, as I mentioned some time back. So, what you need to do is, see, what happens is, if you need to have a body of work to pitch to people, okay, so you have to write. So the minute you have graduated, and if you have the latitude of time, and you have the gift of time, as we call it, you just focus yourself, zero in on your ideas, and start. You don't have to write full scripts. No. What you need to do is make a list of workable ideas. Secondly, you also have to decide what kind of movies do I want to write? What kind of films interest me? What am I good at? What can I write that will be unique, that in whatever genre I'm good at. Like, you can be a comedy writer, you might want to make a rom-com, a love story, action, animation, whatever is your strength. Whatever. See, this is another thing which I would like to say is that, something might be very popular, you might love to watch it, but you might not really be cut out for it, or it might not come to you naturally, it might be not be in your grain. So first, try to identify that grain, that what is that script that excites me when I even think about writing it. Forget about big stars involved in it, forget about what kind of business it can do, or what kind of awards you can win, or whatever. Just think that when I'm sitting on at my laptop, or my computer, or pen and paper, wherever, and I'm sitting, and it makes me cry, it makes me laugh, it makes me excited, that story which is brimming in my head, and turning it into a screenplay gives me great joy. That initial joy, if it is there in your work at the top, at the very beginning, at the very first time you're thinking about it with a cup of tea, looking out of the window, or traveling in a metro or a train or something, it's making you very excited and wanting you to write. That's what we call as the writer's urge, that ticking, that excitement to put it down on paper. You need to always remember, if you don't have that excitement at the early stage, there's something wrong. You are not getting it right. If you are forcing yourself to do something which you don't like, or you are trying to do something which is not coming to you naturally, and be very careful of that, because that is the beginning of a lot of difficulties that will come into the script later. Your first draft, when you're writing, be always remember that you need to have joy, you need to feel pleasure doing it. Of course, it will be painful because you'll be stuck. It's an original idea, you'll be going round and round in circles, but it should be exciting for you. That's Having said that, I'll put that aside. Coming back, so if you are doing features, you need to first identify which is the kind of film. So there are certain directors, or there are certain production houses that are doing a certain kind of work. So that brings me to the fact that you have to keep watching a lot what's happening within your industry. Just sitting and watching Netflix and watching foreign series is good for your entertainment and definitely good for some amount of education, but it is probably not the best way to invest in understanding your industry. So what you need to kind of do is first identify within your industry, if you're in Mumbai or working in Calcutta, which are our main industries: Mumbai, Calcutta, Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, wherever. And in that zone, what is the kind of work, feature film work, that you want to do, and who are the kind of people who are making those kind of films? Like, if you are big blockbusters, and are you into great love stories? Are you into new wave, gritty, violent, low budget movies? Whatever works, but try to figure out where is your calling, you know, and then you identify those directors, producers, or whatever, and you make a list, realistic list. If you don't have a contact number, don't bother about it initially. You don't have an email address, you don't know anybody, doesn't matter. What you need to do is first write. First sit and spend hours and hours writing, and take ideas, and write that idea on a page, and put it up on your this, or put it up on your computer, and think about it, that is this story worth, I mean, I'm finding it exciting, yes, but will it excite a lot of people like me? Why I say a lot of people, at least substantial amount of people? Does it have wings that will take it? Is it just because it is my life and I had some experience and I thought it was great, or is it something that has a universal appeal? I'm not saying to the entire universe, but one part of the universe, one little universe, which can translate into, we can make that project viable. I can write this script, and I can see it getting made, or at least I can pitch it. So that is something that you need to firstly figure out.